Hey there, if you tried using an outline text look in your Webflow project, you know that you sometimes get this ugly text that looks like this. Well, the reason that this is happening is because that by default, the CSS attributes for text and SVGs goes fill, then stroke, and then markers when it comes to SVGs. That's why we get this ugly stroke look, because it's painted on top of the fill. But we can fix that by adding one custom CSS property. So I'm going to go down to the custom properties for this outline text, and I'm going to add one called paint order, and I'm going to give it a value of stroke fill. What this does is it paints the stroke first and then adds the fill on top of the stroke, hiding those ugly parts of the stroke that we were seeing before. Now, the one caveat to this is that we need to still have a text color, so we can't use something like transparent, because if we use transparent, we wouldn't have a fill to paint over it. So we do need to have some color. So if anything, you can always use the eyedropper and just have it match the color of your section background. So there you go, a quick way to fix that ugly outline text look. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.